85, 90, 90, 90, and now 85, 90, and now $90,000. Here's a real one done. Negative net of 95 and 100, and 95 and 1. Hit one. I'm going to net of 100. Negative 1, 5, 10, 10, 10. Negative 10, negative 10, 10. Negative 1, 10, and now 110. Hit one. I'm going to net of 100. Negative 10, 15, 15, 15. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Negative 20, negative 120, and now 120, and now 20. I got to be 20. I got to be 20. I got to be 5. I got to be net of 5, 30, 30, 30, 125, 30, and now 125, 30. Hit 125. I got to be net of 30. I'm going to be 80, but enough. I'm going to buy 5. I got to be net of 40. I got to be the bang. I got to be net of 140, and now 140, and now 40, and now 540. I got to be 135, 40. I'm going to be 80, I got to be net of 10. Tell me again. I got to be 140, 5, 7, 40. I got to be 137, 40.
Ride Tech Air Ride Suspension, custom 3-inch aluminized exhaust. Here's a beautiful Chevrolet custom SUV Blazer.
137, 140. I got to be 85. I got to be net of 140, and now 140, and now 145, 5, and now 145, and now 145, 5. I got to be 85. I got to be net of 145. I got to be 50, 50, 50, and 150,000, and then 145, 50, and now 750, and then 147, 50, and now 147. I got to be 50, 50, 50, $150,000 are you through, and $150,000 are you done, and now 5, and 155. Last two final call 60, and now 65, and then 165, and now 165. $5 round. They're going to be 165, 5, and now 165, 5, and now 70, and now 70, and now 70, and now 70 grand. I got to be 5. I got to be 175, 5, I got to be 75 and 80. Now waiting, now waiting, now waiting, now waiting on them. I got to be 5, and now 185, and now 185, 5, and now 185 on them. I got to be 5. I got to be 185, 5, and now 185,000. Last and final call 2, and now 5, and now 185, and now 185. Don, what's he gonna do? And now 182, $185,000 a night. So $182,000. I'm gonna be number 252, $160,000 are done. And now 260,000, and now 250, 260, 255, 60, and now 255, 60, and now $260,000 are done. I'm gonna be 5. I'm gonna be number button up, button right. I'm gonna be 255, $260,000 are you through? And now $260,000 are you done? And now 255, 60, and now $260,000. Kurt, tell them again.
LS engine, 750 horsepower, frame off rotisserie restoration.
260, and now 255, 60, and now 255, 60, and now what are you gonna do? I'm gonna be 80 to 5, I'm gonna be number 260,000. No, I got 250 online, and now 255, no sir, and now 255, 5, and now $255,000 last and final call, and now 255, 5. What's he? Oh, don't get mad at me, sir. And now 255, and I. So, 250, and 950,000 on it, and 950,000 on it. Now everybody get all in. Now 75, and 975, and 975, and 975, and 975, 5 on $1 million on a pay to get up. What do you want to pay to get up? What do you want to be $1 million? And $1 million on a pay to get up. $1 million on a pay to get up. $1 million all through. And $1 million, and $1 million on a pay to get up. And now what do you say? How did it get at 985? And now $1 million. I had to get $1 million, and $1 million on a pay to get up. $1 million on an even money. You'll remember what you paid for it. And what is that? $600,000 on it, and $1,600,000 on it, and $1,600,000 on it. Out of it to get $1,600,000 out of it to get up. What do you want to pay here? $1,700,000, $1,780,000, $1,888,000 out of it to get $1,888,000 out of it to get $1,700,000 to get $1,800,000 on it, and $1,888,000 out of it to get $888 on it. 2 million, and 1, 2, and 2 million, 2, and 2 million, 2, and 2 million, 2, and 2 million, 2, and 2,200,000 on it, and 2,200,000 on it. Out of it to get $2,200,000, and 2,200,000 on it. Out of it to get what do you want to pay to get all through? All done. And 2,200,000 on it, and 2,200,000, 3, and 2,200,000, and 2,300,000, and 2,300,000. Shane, go ahead. 2,300,000 on it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Craig has told you what a remarkable individual Mr. Williams was. Also, what a remarkable Mercedes-Benz is in front of you. A true one-off body by the Mayfair Carriage Company. Ladies and gentlemen, don't miss the opportunity from the Don Williams collection.
I had to get down 2.2, 2,300,000, and I had to get down 1, 2, 3, and 2,300,000 on it, and 2,300,000 on it. Out of it to get down what do you want to pay to get all through? All done. And 2,300,000.
This is an opportunity right here for a special roadster.
2,300,000 out of it to get out of videos, crowd down to get all through, all down to $2,300,000 and a half. Put your hands together. So for 2 million, to get out 100, 125, and 125, 50, and 150,000 out of it to get out 50, 75, and 200,000 out and 200,000 out of it to get out 225 on it, pay to get out 225, 225, and 225,000 out of 3, you say 3 now, 25, and 325, and you want 325 out of it to get out 325 to get out 5 on it, pay to get out 325, 400, hey, what'd you say? 400 is bid, and 425, you want 25, and 425, pay 50, and 450 pound out and 4.5 out of it to get out 4.5 out of it to get out 4.5, 75, and 500, and 500 is bid, and 525, and 525, and 525 to get out 525 out of it to get out what do you want to pay, Shane, 525, and 525, you want 25, 50, go ahead, Shane.
Powered by the big Lingenfelter Performance Eliminator 427 cubic inch LS7 V8 power plant.
50, I'd had to get out 550,000 and 550,000 and 550, 75, you want $75 out of it to get out 575 all through, and 575,000 and a half. So for 550,000, to get all through, all done 80, and 480, and 480, and 480 internet's out, and 480,000 out of it to get out what do you want to pay to get out 480,000 and a half. So $470,000, Shane.
October.
Yeah, we had a battery issue at the last minute, and Craig and I were stressing out really bad, and then we said this is a blessing in disguise, because if I would have sold that car to someone and they would have 2 days later called me up and said, guess what, that would have been horrible. So we're going to get it all fixed up and be like new, and we're going to do it in October. And my favorite part about that, Craig, is that I get to come back in October and do this again. Woo!
So Sammy played last night. It was absolutely spectacular. He's going to come back in October, the day before his birthday, October 12th. So you never know what's going to break out next October.
Yeah, birthdays are fun. I don't need a birthday to have a good time, though, Craig. So here's a very interesting aspect about the car that I don't even think you know. On the steering wheel it says SH1013, because Ferrari put that little etched engravement on my steering wheel as my birthday present in October when I got the car. Well, it's going on the blocks October 12th, the day before my birthday, so it's kind of like it's somebody else's birthday.
It's good karma.
Any Libras in the house?
Thanks, Sammy, for playing last night over in the Equidome.
Thank you.
Super exciting. Thank you, Sammy.
God bless people. This is wonderful, man. This is like heaven right here.
It is. Thank you, Sammy.
Hey, y'all make some noise for Sammy Hagar. Here's lot number 1378. It's a 2018 Bugatti. It features the full exposed carbon fiber option. It's powered by an 8-liter, 16-cylinder engine that uses 4 turbochargers, making 1,500 horsepower.
I had to get out buddy paying, have it out of it to get out 70, get back, had to get out $4 million. I had to get out buddy paying 70, get back, had to get out $1 million, and by 500, now 700, now $1 million, and $1 million down to pay to get out $1 million, down to get out million, 1 million, 2, 3, 5, 5 million, 5, and $1 million, 5, and $1 million, 5, and $1 million, 7, and $1 million, 7 on it, pay to get out $1 million, 6, and $1 million, 700, down to get out $1 million, 6, and $1 million, 700, down to get out $1 million, 7, 7, 7, $1 million, 700,000 on it, $1 million, 7 to get out $1 million, 8, $1 million, 8, down to get 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, down to get out $1 million, 9, $2 million, down to 2, 1, and $2 million, 100, 2, 2, 2, 3, and $2 million, 3, and $2 million, 3, and $2 million, 4, 5, and $2 million, 5, and $2 million, 5, and $2 million, 500, down to get out $2 million, 500,000 on it, down to get out $2 million, 5, 5, 5, and $2 million, 500, and $2 million, 500,000 on it, down to get out what do you want to pay, and $600,000 on it, and $2 million, 6, 7, and $2 million, 7, and $2 million, 700,000 on it, and $2 million, 7 to get out 700,000 on it, down to get out what you want to pay, and $2 million, 700,000 on it, down to get out $2 million, 700,000 on it, and $2 million, 7 all through, and $2 million, 7, go ahead,
This
Shane.
supply right here. The exposed carbon option is $200,000 for the front color and $200,000 for the back color. They don't make these anymore. This is an opportunity right here. Gorgeous colors, great build on this car. Only problem is the price right now.
Emma's got $2 million, 7, $2 million, 8. I had to get down $2 million, 8, and $2 million, 9, 9, 9. I had to get down $2 million, 900, and $2 million, 900, and $2 million, 9, and $2 million, 900, and $2 million, 9, 9, 9. I had to get down $2 million, 900, and $2 million, 900,000 on it, and $2 million, 9, 9, 9. I had to get down $2 million, 9, and $2 million, 9, 9, 9. I had to get all through. What'd you got? You got 7, you got 8, is that right? 2,008,000. Hey, I'll do you a favor. 2,750,000. 2,750,000. We'll break it all up. We got 3 bidders. We want to sort them all out. You want to be 2,750,000. 2,750,000 and 2,750,000 and 2,750,000. Yes or yes? And 2,750,000 all through. For 2 million.
With the 4.8-liter V10 engine.
2, 3. I had to get a million 3, 4, and a million 4, and a million 4, and a million 4, and a million 4, 4, 4. I had to get a 4, 5, and a million 5 didn't make it. You're late. Million 5, and a million 5, 5, and a million 4, and a million 500. You're out. Million 5, and a million 4, and a million 500,000. Down and down. I get a million 5, and a million 5, 5, 5. Now 1,600,000, 700, and a million 7, and a million 700,000 on it, and a million 700,000 on it. Down. I better get a million 70, a million 700 on him here. A million 700,000 on it. Everybody else all there. A million 700,000 on it. Down. I better get a 7 on him here to get all through. Shane, go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, 562 horsepower. This 2012 Lexus 4.8-liter V10 engine, clean Carfax history. Don't miss the opportunity. Here's the 2012 Lexus LFA.
I had to get a million 700,000 on it. I better get up. What do you got here? I better get a million 7. I'll take a million 650 if you want to do it. I better get up. What do you want to pay to get up? He's already in. I better get up. Million 700 on it. I better get up. Dan, what do you got upstairs? I better get up. What do you pay? Look at that. I better get up. 5. Now 6. A million 600,000 on it. Straighten them up. I better get a million 5 and a million 600,000 on it. And a million 5 and a million 600,000. I'll take a million 5 and a half. A million 5 and a half. A million 5 and a half.
This is about it right here.
I thought we could be doing over 2 million on this one, Craig.
Absolutely. Nuremberg Ring Car doesn't get any rarer. These have been going up in value, and that's the only place they have to go right now.
5 and a half. A million 550. A million 5 and a half dollar down. I better get a million 5 and a half dollar down. I better get all through, all done. A million 5 and a half. A million 5 and a half dollar down. I better get a million 5 and a half and 5 and a half dollar down. I better get all through and a half. So, and 2,888,000. I better get 888,000. I better get what do you want to pay? And 2,008,000. And 2,888,000. And 2,008,000. And 2,009,000. First one to 3 million wins. You want to just get their first run? And $3 million is bid. And 3 million won. And 3 million won. And 3 million won. We ain't done yet. Now 1. And 3 million won. And 3 million won. And now 2. And 3 million 2. You want to take bigger bites? And 3 million 1. 3 million 2. And 3 million 2. Ron, thanks for what you did. And a half. So for 3.
There we go.
Donald Trump's Lamborghini.
Let's make off to the screen again, buddy.
$15,000 miles. Carfax shows mileage and consistency. August 9, 2003. Here it is. Donald Trump's Lamborghini Diablo VT Roadster.
Here we go. I had to get up. What are you paying? How many dollars on it? Had to get out to get this thing. I had to get up. What are you paying? 70 get tied. Had to get out. 1, 2, and $200,000 and $200,000 and 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and 300 now 4 and $400,000 500 600 and 600. Be sure now 600 and 600 and you want and 600 and $600,000 down. I'm gonna get now $600,000 5's on here now with Shane now 600 and 5.5 now 6 and now 7. Kevin's in at 6 7 and $700,000 and 7 7 7 to get out 700 6 7 and you're out 700 and 7 to get out 7 to get out 7 and $700,000 down. I'm gonna get out 7 7 on him here and 7 to get out $700,000 down. I'm gonna get out what you want to pay and 7 now 8 and 7 to get 8 and 7 to get 8. I'm on the phone 7 8 and 7 to get 8 8 8 I'm gonna get 800,000 down. I'm gonna get all through 800,000 and 900,000 and 900. Maybe that's him on the internet and 900 and 89 and 89 and 900,000 down. I'm gonna get out 9 to get out 9 to get out 9 to get out 999 and 900,000 down. I'm gonna get out what do you want to pay to get out $900,000 down. I'm gonna get out. Kurt, go ahead.
Ordered new by former President Donald Trump. He owned it and drove it until he sold it in the summer of '02. It's had 2 owners since. Donald Trump's Lamborghini.
950 and 950, 950 and $1 million and $1 million and $1 million on him here and $1 million on him here to get $1 million down. I'm gonna get up $1 million on him here to get up what do you want to pay and $1 million on him here to get $1 million. $1 million is bid and $1,000,001 and $1,000,001 and $1,000,001 and $1,000,001 and $1,000,001. get out, $1,000,001 and $1,000,001 and $1,000,001, all through. Sold, $1 million. Internet.
Adjustable racing shot.
Right, here to get out, buddy, paying, having it down, down, but to get out 500 and 500,000 dollars, and trying to get out 500,000 dollars, down, but to get out 555 and 500,000 dollars, down, but to get out 500, here to get out 70 and 1, 2, and 100, 200, and 200,000 dollars, and 2, down, but to get out 2, and 100, 200 dollars, here to get out 150, and $1.5 down, but to get out $1.5 down, but to get out 1.5, 2, and 200,000 dollars, and 2, down, but to get out 2, to get out 200,000 dollars, and 2, to get out 2, but to get out 2, and 2, 175, 2, and 175 to get out 200,000 dollars, and 2 to get out 200 pound dollar down, to get out 2, to get out 2, to get out 2, 1, 2 quarter. Is that what you said? And 225, and 225 to get out 5 to get out 500, here to get out here. Go ahead, 225, now 50.
Frame off custom build 2018 SEMA.
And now 75, and 350, now 75, Devin's out, and 375, and 375, 55, now 400, and 400, and 400, you say 360, and now 70, and 360, 370, and 370,000 dollars, you want to be 70, and 370,000 dollars, and 370,000 dollars, and 370,000 dollars, now I'm going to get all through 80, and 380, oh look who woke up, and 380, and 380, and 90, now 4, and 400, rolling away, and 400,000 dollars, and 4, Devin, you are out, and 400,000 down, I'm gonna get out, you want in, and 400, and 400, now 25, and 425, and I have now 50, and 450, and 425, 50, and 425, 50, and 425, 50, down, I'm gonna get out 50, 75, and 475, and 475, Devin's in, and 450, now 75, and 475, all through. So for 400, I'll make you a quick cash deal. You can pay 650, 650, and 650, and 650, and 650,000 down, I'm gonna get out what's fun to pay to get all through, and 650,000 down, I'm gonna get out anybody else all through, all down, and I have. So, I'm gonna get out 3, we need the plastic again, and $300,000, and 70, get out to get out 50, 75, and 75, and 100, and 100,000 down, 25, and 125, and 125, and 125, 50, and 125, 50, 50, 75, and 175, 2, and 200,000 and 2 to get out 200,000 down, I'm gonna get out what you pay where 225, and 225, and 225 is that Dan, and 225, you want 225, and 210, 20, and 220, and 220,000 and 220,000 down, I'm gonna get out what you want to pay, and 220,000 down, I'm gonna get out through all done, and 220, and 220,000 down, I'm gonna get out what you want to pay to get out 220, and 220,000 and 2 to get out 20, 2 to get out 20, 2 to get out 20 down, I'm gonna get out through, and go ahead, Shane, 220, and 220 pound down here.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, finishing that beautiful mint green over the oyster interior, rolling on 20-inch wheels with 33-inch tires.
And 230, got it, 220, now 30 and a half. Sold for 220,000.